We have to leave the room now. I just got up. We actually didn't know that checker is at 11. So they're kind of kicking us out. If not, they charge us 50% more. It's sunny. Yeah. In the bus now, headed to Ko Lanta. Taking it easy. Should be a 3-hour ride. On a ferry now to Ko Lanta. That's our bus here. Beautiful weather, beautiful nature. Everything looks great. Go to our hostel. Jonas is checking in here. We're at the room now. This is it. Kind of stranded. Let's see what we can do in this place. That's the view here. Somewhere there. There should be a beach. At least that's what Google Maps says. Yep, started to rain, but there is some hope back there. Rain has stopped and we're getting some food. We're having a fight against these flies here. There's like a million of them. So we came all the way from here. Don't really mind this, but we found a beach now. Weather is great, and check out the sunset here. Just had an amazing swim and check out the sunset here. Woo! Had a funny cab ride with a scooter slash taxi, and now we're grabbing some dinner at the Fat Monkey. Okay, so we're fighting this huge cockroach. It's right there under the bed, trying to win the fight. We won the fight. She's trapped and going bananas. 1-0 for us. Okay, so I tried to upload my latest vlog, didn't work. Bad internet. After 2 hours, then YouTube blocked my video because I'm using a song they don't want me to use. It's 1 AM and I'm off to bed. Peace.